you sit from above? You know you make my world.
Hey everyone, hope you've been having a great summer. I've decided to come to the beach for some mukbang. What are you guys doing here?
We're enjoying the beach too.
Anyways, let's move somewhere else to eat. It's not often I come to the tropical planet. They have the best beaches. I love summer break. Let's call for some food. On the beach, I have summoned you here to make me food. Now do that magic of yours. It looks amazing. This is why you're my favorite. Let's start with the cookies. Deliciously sweet. Very fishy. My food is all gone because of your crazy magic.
How about I turn us into mermaids?
Yes, let's do a mermaid mukbang.
Oopsie, I forgot to use the magic.
Beautiful. See you guys next mukbang.